So guys, Shericka Jackson was not able to run in the race that people were expecting her to run with Brian Williams and Shelley Hobbs. Now I will be giving you guys a quick update of what really happened to Shericka Jackson and the reason why her race got cancelled and the reason why she was not given the opportunity to race together with Brian Williams and Brian Litson. So before I continue with this video, please, in case this happens to be your first time here, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe to the channel. So initially, Shericka Jackson was expected to race in the Melrose Games Women 60 meters field, which has to do containing a list of Dina Smith, Julian Alfred, Brian Williams, Shasheli Forbes, Celery Femis, English Gardiner, Marybeth St. Price, and Tamari Davis. But unfortunately, Shericka was not able to participate in this race, and the winner currently is Sashele Forbes. Honestly, I will be giving you the fact and only the fact and the reason why Shericka Jackson was not able to race in this 60-meter race that she was supposed to race. Because I mean, if Shericka Jackson was in this race, chances and possibilities are she will definitely be the winner in this race and not this Shashale Forbes. So before I give you guys the reason why Shericka Jackson was not able to race in the Melrose Games, let us look at her reaction for not performing in the 60-meter race, because it is important to know what she feels after missing the race. So she went on her official Facebook account when the race took place and she said, "Don't rush things. When the time is right, it will happen." So that was Shericka Jackson replied to not performing in that race. She is trying to let people that know that it is not okay to rush things, that we should let things be. And I feel like it's actually a reply to the fact that she missed that race. Now let's quickly look at the real reason why Shericka Jackson did not race in that 60 meters. And please guys, do not forget that this is not the first race Shericka Jackson is missing. Now Shericka Jackson also misses a race that took place in the JAA Puma last 2 weeks, and the report says Shericka Jackson, after withdrawing from the JAA Puma meet 2 weeks ago due to illness, reigning world championship 200-meter champion Shericka Jackson is set to make her debut this afternoon at the Queen Grace Jackson meet at the National Stadium. Now it is important to also note that Shericka Jackson has now misses a total of 2 races in 2024, and the reason has been stated here. It is definitely due to illness. Now that is to tell you guys that Shericka Jackson is currently sick, and maybe she is going to be missing a lot of more races, who knows. But we do hope to see her recover as fast as possible, because I mean, she knows how to deliver. And like I said earlier on this video, if Shericka Jackson was in that race that Shasheli Forbes won, then Shashele Forbes could not have won that race, because I mean, Shericka Jackson definitely will win the race, because we know who she is, we know the kind of energy she possesses. She is one of the best sprinter in the world. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think.